Okay, question 19. So 33,630 equals 354 times 95. So they give us a multiplication fact, and you can see it below. It's all combinations. So use the fact to complete the calculations below. Now, the answers are always going to be based on one of these three numbers, yeah? Either with or without decimals or with extra zeros. So let's measure it. So we got 354, so that matches this one, and we got 9.5, which is one decimal short of 95. So if it's one decimal short, then the answer must be one decimal short. So it should be 3363.0, but we don't need to write 0.0. So that's the answer, 3,363. For the next bit, you can see that they've raised this 354 by 10, so let's click on extra 0, so you can times the final result by 10, whereas 95 is the same. So that means the answer must have an extra 0. So it'll be 33630 with an extra 0. Okay. Now last one, we got 3,363 divided by 95. So it seems to me that we have the left side now. If you divide it by 95, you'll get some combination of 354. Well, here's a tip. So you can see that this one's reduced by one decimal because they knocked out 0, so they moved it by one decimal, so one digit short. This means that this should be also one digit short technically, or one decimal short. So instead of 354, it'll be 35.4, so one digit short. Okay, that's it. Now 20. So in March, Ken collects 2, 3, or 4 eggs each day from his hens. Now in the first 20 days, Ken collects 57 eggs altogether. Alright, now there are 31 days in March. Now what is the greatest number of eggs Ken collect in March? Okay, interesting question. So let's have a look. So in the first 20 days, he's already got 57. So this means that there's 11 days left to somehow make the greatest number of eggs. Now it's quite easy. If you've got 11 days left and you can collect either 2, 3, or 4, the maximum you can get is, well, if you've got 4 every single day. So 4 times 11. So altogether, you could have 57 plus 4 times 11, which is 44. And this would give us, if you added this correctly, 101 eggs. That's really it. Well, that's 2 marks. Oh, not bad. Now, here we go, guys. The final question, 21. So Jack finished a sponsored run in 53 minutes and 25 seconds. Now, Ali finished 3 minutes and 50 seconds after Jack. So how long did Ali take? So you just have to add, well, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is almost, if you round this up carefully, you get 4 minutes, but 10 seconds shorter. So this is the same as 4 minutes minus 10 seconds. So how about we just go ahead and add 4 minutes to this time, so you get 57 minutes and 25 seconds. Minus 10, you can get 15 seconds. So 57 minutes and 15 seconds. Now, Layla finished the run in 8 minutes and 45 seconds before Jack. How long did Layla take? So this one, again, you're going to firstly subtract 8 minutes from 53. So for this one, it's best we do a number line, actually. Let's go ahead and do a number line. So we start at 53, and we're going to subtract firstly 8 minutes, yeah? So 53 take away 8. Come on, calculation. You should get 45. So at the moment, he's done 45 minutes and 25 seconds. Now you need to subtract 45 seconds. Okay, so first you subtract 25, you'll be on, if you subtract 25 seconds first, you'll be on exactly 45 minutes, and subtract an extra 20 seconds, so that makes 45 seconds short. So 20 seconds minus 45 minutes will give us 44 minutes and 40 seconds. Done. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, share with your friends, and if you guys came all the way, give yourself a pat on the back, because you guys were amazing. Anyways, have a lovely day, and good luck with your revision. Take care, guys.